The other day, I made some all-beef sausages. And there's always sausage meat left in the bottom of the stuffer and in the stuffing tube. And what do you do with that meat? I try sometimes to force it into a casing, but I saved it this time. This is leftover. This is about 5.5 ounces, as I remember. It's enough for maybe 2 patties. I'm going to use this to make some panini, or in this case, a panino. Be a good way to use this up, and it should taste delicious. So let's make this panino. As usual, I use these square rolls I buy at Costco. I live within walking distance of Costco. Because I like to toast the outside as well as the inside, I trim off a little of this crust. These are partially split, so I finish splitting them with my bread knife, and there's my bread ready for toasting. I like to toast the bread in a skillet. I have it heated to about medium high, or 340 degrees Fahrenheit, 170 degrees Celsius. I buttered the outside surface of the bread. And one thing I always forget, I should save a bit of the crust I trimmed off to cover these larger holes. My bread is toasted on both sides. I can move this to a plate. I bump the temperature up a little to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius. There is my sausage patty going into the pan. Cook this thoroughly to make sure it's cooked all the way through. The sausage is done. Now I'm ready to assemble my sandwich. I'll move the meat to one side and put a piece of toasted bread in the pan. Place the patty on top, then cover with a slice of provolone cheese. Then put the other slice of toast on top. I'm putting a heated grill press on this sandwich, which will help melt the cheese. This sandwich is done. I didn't get many grill marks on top because I pre-toasted the bread. This can now go onto a cutting board. There is my panino. I like to put a couple of frilly toothpicks in the sandwich to help hold it together while I slice it. For the photography, I like to slice it corner to corner. And there is my grilled sausage panino. It looks good, doesn't it? I love grilled sandwiches anyways. They're going to be even better in winter. I know you can hear the crunch. That is really good. That sausage has a nice, rich flavor to it. Almost bold, but not quite. It has a really nice flavor, and combined with the provolone cheese and on well-toasted bread, that's a delicious sandwich. So excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy a late lunch of my grilled sausage panini.